Benidorm feels like summer. The city is thriving today. It is 10 in the morning. And today we're expecting plus 20 degrees on the sunny Levante beach. What's better than that to spend the pre-last day and welcome the new year in the sunny Benidorm in Spain? Join us for a short walk along the Levante beach, watch some sunny terraces, busy promenade and packed bars with tourists that finally are getting to enjoy Benidorm like weather. Authentic sunny weather in our gorgeous city. We are right next to the Cafe Roman. Oh, look at that. They have New Year's menu here, 25 euros. Starters, main courses, dessert, drinks. Basically, this is a menu. It doesn't mean that there's going to be some kind of entertainment. And for 25 euros, hey, well, it's usually not the case. Let's say it like that. It's too cheap for a whole entertainment evening. The Bikini Beach with their lovely cocktails. By the way, right now the prices are 6 euros for a cocktail, like mojitos, Long Island iced tea, some espresso martinis, their signature cocktail, by the way. And there's quite a lot of deals for cocktails, drinks, and bucket offers here in Benidorm in general, simply because there's not as many tourists getting cold iced drinks right now. And people just prefer different type of tourism these days, you know. First of all, people are walking down the promenade and, oh, the sun is here. The sun's already coming out from behind the buildings. Lifeguards are coming towards the beach. First, people are bringing their chairs on the sunny Levante beach. There's still some water out here. It's not from the rain. It's from the cars that are passing and pressure washing the whole entire area to make it clean for the new day. So there's still a little bit of water here, but that's normal because we are in the shade of the skyscrapers of Benidorm, of Rincon de Loix, and just in a few hours, maybe not even hours, no, in a few minutes time, this place is going to be sunny as the rest of the Levante beach. Incredible place. Even doggios are wearing Christmas outfits here. Incredible place for people to enjoy. As you can see, almost 2 kilometers of Levante beach are absolutely sunny and nice and warm. And not just yet, but even so, when you are on the sunshine, you have a feeling of very nice and warm weather. And when you are on the sun on midday, it's going to be a real feel of maximum plus 20 degrees. Imagine this. Plus 20 on the 30th of December, one day before New Year's Eve, pre-last day of 2025. And this is the weather that we have. I know some people expected this weather on Christmas and were a little bit disappointed, let's say it like this, that it was raining, it was dull, but weather gave us another chance to enjoy, and now we're going to be having at least a few warm, spot on, perfect sunny days in Benidorm town. So definitely we'll see terraces packed up with people and people enjoying the beach, doing sports. Usually nowadays there's a lot of people who are not as much coming to the bars like these ones, like Beach Terrace, Little Bob's, Lazy Cow. It is true that people are still going here, but mostly in the evening, early morning. Well, it's early morning for cocktail. Although some people might say it's never too early in Benidorm, but you know, usually at this time of the day, people are doing other things like heading to the beach, like walking down the promenade, discovering the old town, heading to the nearby villages to discover something, going to the market, etc. And then only after midday, they're going for some nice cocktails or beers or drinks, whatever they wish, and some snacks towards numerous bars that are inviting them here in Benidorm. As you can see, the water's almost gone. This here was flooded after the rain, but now slowly but surely it is disappearing. This is a gorgeous promenade. We absolutely love it, and it's ideal to do some sports, to do walks. We see a lot of tourists with sportswear. People are bringing their sports outfits. Not sure what's going on, but We love it. Different type of tourism. People are bringing their sports outfits to have walks, to go to natural park, to explore. And it's just nice to see how the city is changing. The Bulldog offers 2 for 12 euros for cocktails. That's very nice. First visitors are already in. These places opened up just recently, probably like maybe 10, 20, 30 minutes maximum ago. Usually bars here on the Levante beach open earlier in summer than what they do in winter. Right now in winter, it's mostly locals and tourists, yes, but they're not seeking bars that early in the morning. It's still quite chilly outside, and in a lot of parts, it is still some shade instead of sunshine. So places know it and they open up slightly later than what they usually do. A lot of runners here right now, my goodness. King Coco closed just yet, which is also normal. Right in front, we have the Copacabana and many other places. Lovely places, plenty of interesting and good businesses here. Local press and international press, by the way. You can get newspapers from France, from Netherlands, I think, and you can get newspapers obviously from UK. Different types of fresh magazines and newspapers to start the morning if you live here or you're spending here long enough time to actually want to buy a newspaper and read what's going on in your home country. You can do that in almost every single press like magazine shop here in Benidorm. Paellas and a lot of other offers. Ooh, they've put some pictures. I think before they didn't have pictures here, but now they did put some pictures of breakfast options, 9 euros, coffee, juice, and a croissant, 6.50. I feel like it's slightly expensive. In general, Copacabana, I feel like it's quite an expensive place to go. Every time we pass through this area, we see the prices. We kind of feel like it is slightly more expensive than other places that we usually tend to visit here in Benidorm. We film quite a lot of breakfasts for you guys and meals, and we have a lot of things planned to show you still. But it definitely feels already when, place is more expensive than the others. You can compare what expensive is and what cheap place is. So this definitely is not from the cheapest options. I mean, breakfast for 9 euros, unless it's a giant one. English breakfast, it is quite expensive, isn't it? Let us know here in the comments, what do you think and which ones are your favorite places here on the Levante beach to grab some drinks or snacks. Share your opinion with other fellow travelers, and don't forget that our channel is not like any other channels. Here we are for information gathering, for giving you all the useful information. And if you want to share something with other fellow travelers, you can always do so in the comment section. This helps them to plan a good holiday in Benidorm town. So any kind of help is much appreciated. In any kind of video here on the channel, whichever you see, you can always share your honest opinion. Passing through mid Levante Beach Promenade, and here is where we already see all the brand new posts of LED lights. These ones here already have the cables on, and after the holidays, probably already, I suppose, is when these places will have the new LED lights installed, like the Gurnald of lights. Posts are here already. They're cemented. They still need to put some more benches, I think, in this area. And apart from that, works are continuing. So by this summer, we'll have a lovely brand new lights on the whole entire Levante Beach Promenade, not just the first half by the old town. Lovely restaurants are opening up. This is by Les Dunes restaurant. They have two. This one is right below the Les Dunes suites, which are like apartments for a slightly longer stay in case you want to spend the whole winter here or like a month. It is cheaper. They're fully accommodated. They have all the appliances inside, and it's a nice place that a lot of people from Northern European countries do actually prefer for their holidays. Also in summer, people come here, don't get me wrong, but it's especially ideal for winter or like longer stay because you have everything you need in case you want to cook in the apartment, and you have slightly more space, like a living room separated from the bedroom, a lovely terrace with direct views towards the Levante beach on the front line. What can be better than that? Look at these chairs. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, this is a lovely idea. Look at this. These are like chair covers that look like Santa Claus hats. And it's actually quite nice. And I wonder why not more places are actually doing this. But it is lovely. That was the German house, I think it's called. Very popular amongst Northern European travelers and even some Spanish national tourists. Plenty of people here and the sun feels warm and nice. Oh, it's just incredible how the weather can change your mood and how from cloudy and rainy day and dull day and cold day, we move to this almost 20 degrees real feel on the sunshine, people in t-shirts back again, and just baby blue skies. Everything here is being prepared, by the way, for a New Year's celebration. On the right side, you can see that there has been already some movement and there's some things being put on the beach that is delimiting the area for the fireworks. So that's where these will be put, and the fiesta, the celebration, will be right next door. It's gonna be absolutely lovely. We'll keep you informed, obviously, but in general, oh, it's great and it's gorgeous. Imagine spending New Year with 20 degrees. Even if it's just 17, 18, it's also fine. But imagine having this warm weather on New Year, which is what we'll be having. Absolutely perfect, ideal end of the year 2025. Sunshine, gorgeous Mediterranean Sea, blue skies, people having walk by the seaside. Oh, absolutely incredible. This is what we were waiting for. This is what we were looking for to end this year. And that's what a lot of people were also looking for their holidays while booking for Christmas and New Year in Benidorm town. Absolutely incredible. The more we head towards the old town, the more people we actually see. And that is normal because people are usually heading from Rincon de Loix, which is less busy, towards the parts of the old town. That is where the vast majority of services are located. That is where all the restaurants and bars are at, the viewpoints, the traditional city center. There's just so many attractions and things to see, which is why we see more people heading towards the old town than people going back towards the Rincon de Loix. The beach library is also open. All the hotels here nearby are getting ready for tomorrow. People are even bringing a guitar. Look at that. Absolutely incredible. Someone lost a baby shoe out there. Look at this. Lifeguards walking down the beach. The loveliest old town skyscrapers right at the back. Oh, this is absolutely perfect. This is just a perfect day in Benidorm. Absolutely incredible. Let us know if you'll be here on New Year's Eve and if you're planning on joining the giant celebration. Thank you for accompanying us on today's nice walk with Benidorm at almost 20 degrees. We couldn't receive a better gift here in Benidorm town from our sunny and warm weather. Ideal to finish off the year, don't you think? Stay tuned for more videos here on the channel very soon. Next video will be about businesses that are trying to survive the winter on the Mediterranean Avenue.